Hello student, this is a question from JEE Main 2018 and this question is based on one of the properties of definite integral. And question is, we need to find value of the integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine power 4x into 1 plus log 2 plus sin x divided by 2 minus sin x dx. Let us see how to solve this question. Given problem is here from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine power 4x into 1 plus log 2 plus sin x divided by 2 minus sin x dx. This can be also written as minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin 4x dx plus minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin 4x sin power 4x into log 2 plus sin x divided by 2 minus sin x dx. This function is odd function, so value of this become 0 and we left with integral from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin power 4x dx. Apply the property of trigonometry. Sin power 4x equal to 1 by 4 1 minus cos 2x whole square, and expand this, we get sin power 4x equal to 1 by 4 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. So just replace this value with here this sin 4x and find the integration. So finally integration of, and we also use one of the function I which is equal to minus a to a f of x dx equal to can be written as 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. So I is equal to integral 2 into 0 from 0 to pi by 2 sin 4x dx, and sin 4x dx is converted to 3 plus cos 4x minus 8 cos 2x divided by 2 into 1 by 4. So this is simple integration, and after calculating this we get our final answer as 3 pi by 8. So we get our answer option C is correct one, 3 pi by 8. You can also watch this short video on the concept we used to solve our problem. And similar concept can be also be found in Integral Calculus Aryan Mathematics book on page number 100 and line number 1. Thank you.